And today it's going to show you how to make an absolutely fantastic chicken salad sandwich. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to make this chicken salad sandwich, which is really, really good, but it has different components which are helpful for a lot of other meals. First thing I'm going to start with is a tomato compote. So we're just going to start with a can of diced tomatoes, plethora of spring basil. I want to add some more herbs to this. We really like this mix. Parsley, tarragon, cilantro, onion, garlic, basil, curry, dill, ginger, lemon peel, marjoram, oregano, paprika, rosemary, sage, anise, cinnamon, fennel, pepper, cumin, and nutmeg. Wait, did I put pepper? I'll put some in. I really want it kind of peppery. Let's add some garlic. So one of the things I'm going to do is I just got the rotisserie chickens. Make it easy, okay? Got a rotisserie chicken. I wanted some shredded lettuce, so I got one of those pre-packaged things where they've already done it. It's fine. You're still a good cook. I got a cinnamon raisin. We're going to make our own aioli, like a mayo, but what's really important is I want it to have the taste of sage. How can you get the taste of sage into mayo? Well, we've got to let it bloom in a neutral oil first. So let's work on that. So just gonna use a little canola oil. So I'm putting the sage there in that oil. Turn it down because it's already getting a little hot. This one, it has tarragon. This one, it's kind of, for those that never cooked with tarragon, kind of a licorice smell, sort of, if licorice and fennel had a baby. How to make your own mayo. So, okay, now I have to drizzle in some bit of oil. So now I'm going to strain my infused oil. Woohoo! I'm gonna blend my compote. Here's what we already did. What's the lotion? I like to add olive oil while it's blending to emulsify. So I would just add this back and let it simmer and get really kind of jammy and thick. That is what I'm thinking. Now we got to start assembling the chicken. So I'm going to purposely do a mix of white and dark meat here. The sage tarragon aioli with the chicken. And I'm going to give this a quick toast, but a quick toast because this toaster I got, it's like a microwave. It goes so fast. Let's just take a little of this shredded lettuce. Let's use a little of the aioli here. So we're building it, we're putting it on top. So I'm going for the different layers of flavor. Let's see how it tastes. It's really good.